Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the TP-Link AC750 Dual Band Wi-Fi range extender. The model number for this particular Wi-Fi range extender is RE205. There you can see it's written here, RE205. There are a lot of information on this box. This is what the extender looks like. It said this is a dual band extender. This is for both 2.4 GHz band and your 5 GHz band. What else is there? Easy setup via Tether app and compatible with any Wi-Fi router. More or less the same information here. Separate 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands allow more devices to connect to your network without reducing performance. Easy setup and management, access control, multi-language support, powering schedule, and that's more or less it. Let's open this box and see what this range extender looks like. This is a general public license notice from TP-Link. This is the quick installation guide for this particular device, which you should read. Everything that you need to know in order to set up this particular device you'll find here. There are a lot of diagrams and steps that you need to follow in order to make sure that the connection is successful. I'll keep this over here as well. And this is the range extender in question. This is the RE205 range extender from TP-Link. It comes with two antennas over here, as you can see. And what else do we have? The TP-Link logo. And over here there is a LAN port and a reset button. There, LAN port and a reset button. Okay, on top there are a lot of stuff. There is a WPS button along with 4 LED indicators for power, signal, 2.4 GHz and the 5 GHz band. So when you're connected, or when you're connected to these particular network, it will show right over here. This is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the TP-Link AC750 Dual Band Wi-Fi range extender, model number RE205. Thank you for watching.